My name is Dr Genevieve Steiner and I'm a cognitive neuroscientist working at the Nickham Health Research Institute at Western Sydney University. My research explores the prevention, diagnosis and treatment of cognitive impairment and dementia in older age. Dementia is a huge problem worldwide. At the moment, we think there's about 50 million people across the world diagnosed with dementia. Now, China's very interesting because they have the world's largest population. With that, they also have an ageing population, and age is the biggest risk factor for dementia. So what we're seeing in China is an escalating rate of the number of people living with dementia. The Australia-China Young Scientist Exchange Program provides a platform for collaboration between the brightest young minds in both China and in Australia, so that we can explore new opportunities to advance medical science and research. Some techniques and equipment and methodologies that they use are very different to the ones that we use in our labs back in Australia. So it was fascinating to be able to upskill on some brand new techniques that my collaborators in Beijing and in Guangzhou are pioneering. So I've really learned some great new skills to bring back and apply in the labs here in Australia. One of the fantastic things that I got to do as part of the Australia-China Young Scientist Exchange Program is present my research and communicate some of my ideas to my new collaborators in China. This was a great exercise for me because it allowed me to practice really communicating complex ideas in a very simple way. We got to talk about some of the differences between the labs and the way that we do things, and this allowed us to develop a new program of research that takes the best of both worlds going forward to be able to treat and diagnose dementia more accurately. We're also working on shared projects together. We've already published another 3 papers since my trip to China, and we've just applied for some more national grant funding. Initiatives like the Australia-China Young Scientist Exchange Program are so important for the development of new and young early career researchers. What it really does is it helps the individual to build up new networks that allows them to collaborate internationally that they wouldn't have had the experience to do otherwise. For anybody who's out there thinking about maybe I should apply for one of these exchange program awards, I highly recommend it. I had one of the best experiences that I've had in my career to date. It is a fantastic opportunity not just to build up your skills and experience as a new young researcher, but also to go out there and explore and learn from others across the world and the fantastic cutting edge science that they're doing.